For 3 days, this tiny puppy didn't move. No food, no water, no owner, just waiting. Every time a car passed, his tail moved, but no one stopped. Until something unbelievable happened on day 3. And what happened next changed his life forever. It was early morning. A small cardboard box sat near the roadside. Inside, a shaking puppy. Someone had left him there overnight. Hot. Cars drove past. Some people looked, but no one stopped. He tried to follow one woman, but he was too weak. So he went back to the box and waited again. By night, it started raining. The box became wet. The puppy curled into a small ball, still waiting. On the second day, something changed. He stopped barking. He stopped moving much. He just lay there, watching, hoping. A little boy saw him and begged his father to stop. But the father said no, and they drove away. On the third morning, a delivery driver noticed something unusual. This time, he stopped. He stepped out of his car and slowly walked toward the box. The puppy didn't bark. He didn't run. He just looked up, weak, but hopeful. And when the man reached out his hand, the puppy lifted his head and gently placed it into his palm. That moment changed everything. The driver wrapped him in a towel. He gave him water. The puppy drank like he hadn't in days. Because he hadn't. The man didn't plan to adopt a dog that day. But sometimes, life makes the decision for you. He took the puppy home. But the journey wasn't over. The puppy was sick. Very sick. At the vet, they said, he's severely dehydrated. He may not make it. The driver didn't give up. For days, he stayed up at night, feeding him small drops of milk, keeping him warm, talking softly to him. And then, one morning, the puppy stood up. For the first time, he wagged his tail. Just once. Playing. Jumping. The same puppy who once lay alone in a wet box. Maybe he was waiting for the right person. Some dogs wait for owners. Some owners wait for dogs. But sometimes, they're just waiting for each other. Because somewhere out there, another little hope is still waiting.